Oh, shoot. That's what I get for walking away. Dang, look at that short. That short. Yeah, well, here's the thing, right? So, Ron, the things that I was looking at, I the there's a little bit of exhaustion going on, as well as we almost had a signal here, right? We had a we almost had a signal on this candle here, and we just had a bullish engulfing candle. But the thing is based off of using the Williams percentage range, to add to the strategy, I would not have went long. Instead, here you just look at this here. This kind of overtook, and then here was your secondary. Here's your secondary candle here. Nice little 38, point move. And now we're bouncing off the 20-day Williams percentage range. Looks like it's trying to get back over the 50 period there, and you know, see what happens. See what happens. But yeah, the thing is that kind of like helps with the exhaustion, right? Is that Williams percentage range? Like even just use like RSI and stuff like that too gives you the ability to kind of see that, and then anticipate it. That's about it. Thank you, Salt, for the compliment there. Really do appreciate it, man. Um, really, really do. Were you able to get into any trades yourself? How's working from home, by the way? Listen, Ron, there's a time that I was gonna get into a trade earlier today, and then I looked at the Williams percentage range, and I was like, oh no. No, even though there was the candle, the candle was bearish. It was bearish engulfing, but the thing is it was not under negative 20. Oh, they're starting you on Thursday. Okay, okay. You guys still doing some training? Yeah, isn't that weird? No students. It's gotta be strange. No, 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 no. Anthony, no. Margin call is not the reason why gold will be tanking. Margin, where our margins have been doubled because of the high volatility. So that's the reason why margins are where they're at for us. Um, gold, and obviously gold is going down right now because the market conditions have improved in the interim. They're not. I mean, who knows what's going to happen? Through the course of the evening. But hopefully all this stuff going on is just super super good and super positive, and we just continue to move up slowly, moving up. Good job, Ron. Good job. So now you are even. So now what we do? No, we just look for something else. I mean, we still got 2 hours left in this day. So everything's looking up, up and up. And let's see what we can produce another winner here. Good, good, good. Hey, over 50% wins is good. I love that we could check stats. For me, stats. I'm like a statistician at heart. So like I like to look at that stuff. What up, Trey? You're walking before the curfew, right? I mean, they're gonna come in with the tanks and stuff and the soldiers, and they're gonna tell you you gotta go in by 8. That's better than 50%. I know that. Dude, you have to sneak around, man. You have to. I mean, shoot, I've already set up alternate plans of how to get everywhere. I'll be taking back roads. You know what's crazy? Trae, come Friday, right? Friday's gonna be 68 degrees here. You want to know what the temperature is gonna be at on Saturday? 32 degrees. How crazy! Absolutely crazy. And I don't want to go back to the cold, man. What? Never, never. What the hell? Aldi's coffee. I don't know, Ron. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. I don't know how many other people agree with me, but I cannot mess with my coffee. It has to be a particular brand. We're right at VA high again. According to Trae's chart there, looking at it, VA high. Refined, refined taste buds, huh? Dude, listen. For the longest time, I couldn't drink anything other than um, Dunkin' Donuts coffee. It was Dunkin' Donuts or nothing. Every single morning, man, it was get in the car, drive over to Dunkin' Donuts, get my Dunkin'. There's a lot of retailers closed. Holy cow, man. They're going through the whole list. Wow. So 23,000 stores closed. Oh, guys. Hey, Ron, you looking at this? Oh no, not my mobile. Close, 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 close. All right. Ron, Jesus, close. Damn it. That's a huge stop. Huge stop. Yeah, that's true. That's true. As long as we got these UPS drivers delivering, you know, as long as we don't do face to face contact, talk to through your ring doorbells and just tell them to put the package down, step away from the package. Dang. Yep. No. No, I didn't. I didn't like the stop, but did not like the stop placement. You're talking 50 something points right there. No, that is a good trade. That is a good trade right there. We're just fluctuating, there's ebbs and flows with the market. So let's see. Let's see what happens here. Ron, what I would love to see is WPR come on down, come on down, come on down, and then we go back up, This thing come back down, we'll get a power hour boost, and could be great. Could be a great move. Might actually be this news that they're talking about right now here, Ron, about the retail, like more of these retailers shutting their stores, maybe. Seems like. Come on. It's very well that we're getting used to it. I mean, volatility is, been going on for a while now, so we very well could be getting used to it. Um, just you just gotta be careful. Gotta be careful entering and exiting trades. Yeah, I don't know, Ron. I don't know. I'm not. I mean, it looks okay. Problem is again we're at a level where I'm not a player. I'm not a player here. Just gonna let it do its thing. I'd like a further cycle, and then maybe I'll be a player. Ah, shoot. Man. There's a oh, not really a short though. Like it just doesn't look good. Doesn't look good at all. 5 minutes. 5 minutes really presented nothing. Nothing. Um, we're trying to push towards the 200-day moving average on the 30 minutes, which is the 75 100. We're like trending up a little bit. So it's more of a feel thing, really. 1 minute obviously is gonna give you a little bit better of a give you a quicker little setups and scalps. I like the 2 minute. Trey and I both really like the 2 minute chart. 1 minute just seems too quick. But it's to each their own, really. I mean, you find something that works for you. Now that we've given you a little bit of instruction, you can absolutely do what's going to work in your favor. Just the way I look at it. And Trae came in with a resounding 2 minutes. Yeah, peanuts don't speak. Texting. It's like, what is happening? What are they? What is Trump putting a ban on texting? Oh, right. Here we go. Here we go. I believe, I believe we're gonna get a potential trade here, guys. Potential long, maybe if we can get a good bounce. Um, Looks like New York City is going to shelter in place. There's that news there. Hoboken Mayor is speaking right now on CNBC, talking about putting some more measures in place. Um, Gonna get a little crazy. Yeah, just breaking news. Breaking news. Shelter in place order for New York City.
All right. I missed that long. Hoping to get back in here before that went. But I missed it. I missed it. $66 to $95. That was a good scalp. I just totally missed that one. Thank you, Ron. Let's see. What can we get into? Can't really get into much. Right now, we'll see if we get some kind of a something right there, maybe. And come it did. Got an elephant bar right there. Got a signal right here. Got a signal on your WPR there. And then this thing went. And this thing went 38, 37 points so far. All right, here we go, guys. Getting a signal here. I don't know how good it might be, but I'm really hesitant to take it because, to be honest with you, I don't really want to lose any money before it's close. Man, what a drop. Oh. That's big. That's pretty big. Right back into that support there at that +1. There we go. New candle. I'm gonna put a sell order about halfway up that thing. If it wants to retrace, I'll get in. If it don't want to retrace, so be it. I don't care. Look at that. I didn't get in. I was too conservative with that one. I still got it sitting there though. Sitting about right there. Even that's too big of a stop, really. Well, I nailed it. I was too conservative with the entry. If I'd have lowered my entries down just a little bit, I could have got in right there. 73.46 or so, and boom. That'd have been a beautiful trade. Oh well. Oh well. No big deal. I'm taking it off now. No sense in leaving it on at this point. That was a killer short. Man. Probably should just got in. That was 30 points. If you just sold the candle close, could have got 30 points out of it. Y'all know what I'm eating for lunch? Alright, it's past lunch. Raw carrots. Alright, there's a possible long right there. Look at that. Nope, never mind. It went away. A good trade though. 20 points now. 27 points. 31 points. And Ford's got to get back over $5. There we go. Got up to 501. At this rate, I'm gonna be holding this Ford stock for a year. Just to make $1. Wow. What an amazing bull push right there. 81 points. One candle. Incredible.
Oh man, what a crazy two little trades right there, man.
It was. I didn't get the signal. I did, and then it disappeared right at the end, and which really sucked. And then it exploded like 90 points.
Mm-hmm.
Crap, man. That short was
Absolutely.
good. The short was good. I just didn't like the stop loss, man. The stop loss was huge.
Yeah. Pretty nice though. Man, today's actually been a pretty good day if I was able to actually focus on trading.
Well, yeah, it's been a good day, man. I mean, the
Missed
trading's
so many
been,
opportunities, man. Missed so many opportunities.
the trading's definitely been there. It's definitely been a good day for that.
All right, save and close.
Oh, that's right. That's what I was going to do when I was out walking. Y'all was talking coffee. I got to figure out what kind of coffee I actually have. Now y'all got me thinking. I have the same exact coffee that Ron has. Belmont. So it is from Audie's. Mine is classic roast medium. It is pretty
It's
good
good coffee
coffee.
though.
It
It's good.
is.
I might have to try that.
I mean, you're kind of spoiled with yours with your Dunkin'
Oh, dude, I
Donut.
am very spoiled, man. I just, you know what it is like I started using the Starbucks stuff in the Ninja Brewer, and I
Yeah.
was like, dude, it's fantastic coffee. It's like slap you in the face,
Mm-hmm.
coffee, just wake my ass up,
Yeah. Yeah. This is pretty good though. I have to agree with Ron.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah. I'm gonna
pleased with
try
it.
it. I'll
I
have to
think it's
grab
pretty
it
good.
next time I'm there.
I mean, for us, I mean, this is just made in a regular coffee pot, though. Can you make stuff in a regular coffee pot?
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah,
There it
yeah.
is.
Like my brewer, I could do. I just do ground. I do ground coffee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. Like I just that's what it is meant for. It could do single cups. It could do half a cup. It could do half a pot, a whole pot. It does magic brews. I can make like special things like frappuccinos, cappuccinos,
Nice.
iced iced coffees. All the great things. That come with it, man. I could really could be a coffee barista. If I really wanted to.
I use. Do you use any creamer in yours?
Nope. Nope. I drink
Just
I
drink
drink
it.
everything just like
Just
dark,
black. Yeah.
just black,
Well,
A
I
little bit of
used to.
sugar. A little bit of sugar. I'll put like a little bit of sugar to sweeten it up just a little bit, like a tad. But nah, man, I don't use creamers anymore. I used to. I used
They're
to, but then
fattening.
people told me that it was bad for you.
Yeah, and they're very unhealthy, man. There's so much sugar,
Mm.
and I mean that's basically all it is. But I used to drink it black too, and here recently I've been kind of indulging on some hazelnut.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah. It's dangerous when you start getting back into it though, man, because I did it for a little while. Like Vanessa was buying, like the special creamer. She doesn't really drink coffee anymore because of her anxiety. But she was buying the creamers, and I was like, oh, let me try this one. They're like the
yeah.
special the special blends and stuff, like the mochas.
Hmm.
Oh my god, it was so good. But I'm like, I know it's so bad.
Yeah, it's not definitely not good for you. Well, I got to thinking about it. I was like gaining weight, and I'm like, well, I'm drinking a lot of coffee, and then got to looking at the
Hmm.
fat content and everything in the creamer, and I'm like, oh, okay, I know
Yeah,
where that's
yeah,
coming
that'll
from.
do
That's
it.
worse than drinking 10 Cokes. So I quit for a long time, and then
Hmm.
just here recently started adding it back. But I noticed that when I do drink it um, with creamer in it, I drink more and I drink it faster. Two staffers. Who says two staffers have coronavirus?
Oh man.
I sent the kids outside. Told them not to come back in till it's dark.
Let's see here. Let's see. Damn, so much work today, man. So much.
Yeah.
I can't wait till people are just home with their coronavirus and just, don't have to don't have to do much work. I wish coronavirus on all of them. That's not nice, right? It's not nice, right? Yeah, that's what people would say.
Uh, yeah. But
They
it's
should
how you're
not wish
feeling.
ill will. Should not wish ill will.
Hmm.
I mean, I don't wish that they, get really terribly sick, but enough sick
Just a
to,
hint of it.
give me give me 14 days of relaxation. That's all
I
I
know,
need.
man. It's like everybody else can, you can't call in and be like, I have to self quarantine. I'm not feeling good. Your
Yeah.
boss would be like, well, what?
Yeah. Like, no, don't you work from home?
That don't make sense.
And this is like the worst time to even call out too. Can't even like take a day off.
Yeah. What's 70% of 500?
70% of 500.
Mm-hmm.
Um, let's see. Let's get the old calculator out.
350.
Oh, there you go.
350. Can you believe that? If you were to withdraw $500 from TradeNet, you only get 350.
That's insane.
That's a ripoff.
Wait, are we already?
I mean,
We're already up that much?
no. When this Ford trade goes in, we'll be up that much. I'm not
Damn.
withdrawing it. I'm just saying, if you were to withdraw it, you would be, um, you would only withdraw $350.
Well, guess what?
What?
We're just gonna upgrade.
We're just going to upgrade, man. Yeah. Get that $250,000 account, and then we'll really start being able to trade
Oh, dude, we'll
exactly the same way. Yeah.
just gonna go nuts.
Yeah.
We'll have $500 mornings trading stocks, and just be awesome.
Yeah. Yeah. Be great, man. I did, Ron. I had a good walk, man. Went out there. It's hot enough where I was actually sweating, breaking a sweat, walking, feeling good. I feel like more like myself than I have in a really long time.
Some interesting candles coming in here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just a bunch of nothing right now. But I'm
Just
telling
not
you,
really setting up. Just
mm-mm.
nothing going on.
You got the lower high and the higher low, so it's like what?
Mm-hmm.
You got one big swing, and then you got a higher low. I mean, higher low and a lower high. It's like, what is this? I say it breaks out, man. I say we're gonna
That's
break
how I
out.
feel. That's how I feel. It's what I was waiting for, man. I was waiting for this. This one was the one where I thought we were gonna break out, right? But it's okay. You still would have gotten your money, and then it just sold off, and then it came down to the 200-day moving average, which was a perfect trade.
Perfect trade. Too bad I didn't get any signals.
Oh, amazing.
The first one was too much risk, and the second one,
Well, it really wasn't. Well, it was kind of it like engulfed a bit,
it
and then it
did,
just
and
came back down, and
dude,
then
right at the last minute,
went. Mm-hmm.
like at 58, right before the candle closed, it was giving me a signal to buy, and then boom, right in the last second, I got chipped. I should have just bought it. But see, here's the thing. If I had bought it though, Neal, and it went against me and I stopped out, I would obsess about how I screwed up and didn't follow my plan.
Man, this is true. Oh, it's just gonna sell off down to the 200-day moving average. Is it what's gonna happen? Nope. Catching some support. Nope. It's done.
Well, that was fun. Yeah.
Freaking candle.
Yeah, man. Darn shame. These investors can't just man up, guts up, and buy this stuff, man. So scared. Fear and greed. More fear than greed. That's the greed that's keeping them in fear. Wow, that's a thought, man. Think about that.
Come on down.
I would just like to see Ford go to. I would just like to see it go to
7.
6, 7. Yeah, I just got a. I've got an order sitting at $5.99, but I mean that's like so far away. It's literally gonna have to.
It's a good buy right now too.
What?
Disney.
What's the DIS?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see this thing.
A little bit of Disney.
See, I hate these charts, man. I hate these charts. I hate them. 92.50 right now.
Hmm.
Hey, is it what is it do we have to have I don't think it's delayed data with trade that one place you told me about, was it? The
Oh, Trade View.
Trading View?
Um,
Is
it
it?
might be. You can take a look though. Go to TradingView.com and see.
Oh, oops. Maybe I should search for it.
Man, just imagine having to try to trade the stock market, man. Like they freaking Disney, 30 minutes. Like it was just boom, boom, up, down, up, down, up, down, just nothing. Like just sideways action. I mean, semi sideways. I mean, it still moved like 4 or 5 points, but still
Yeah.
just 4 or 5 points in the wrong direction is gonna ruin your entire day. You're gonna be leaving the office like crying.
Mm-hmm. Or jumping out of a building or something. You know what I mean?
I know.
Let's see. Is Disney live? Hang on. Let's see. How do I do candlesticks? Um, they got tick charts. Oh, they only got a 1 minute and a 3 minute chart though. Okay, let's look at um, I don't know how to change it from a line graph to.
So I tried to text my cousin acetaminophen, and my phone rewrote acetaminophen to ego monophonic. Like, I was like, man, my phone makes some weird words up sometimes. Like, what the hell? What is that? Pfizer announces COVID-19 vaccine partnership. There you go. There's a company to invest in. Pfizer.
Do you know how to uh
What you looking for?
trying to turn this chart into a bar chart or into a candlestick chart?
On TradingView?
Yeah.
Oh, weird. Hold on, let me go there. I thought it should be that already.
Mine's a line.
Let me do PFE. Oh, mine is a line.
It is live data
Oh,
though.
full feature chart. Click on full feature chart.
I did
There you go.
that. It's
Mine's
still
mine's bars.
what? Check me out.
Yeah.
You see mine?
Let
Look,
me go to Twitch.
hang on. Let me leave that. Now look here. All right, so I'm
Oh,
gonna click right
dude.
here, full feature chart. Boom, and it's still a line, man. See there? What?
Yeah, hold on. I can get you bars. Up at the top where it says the minutes,
Yeah.
as minutes right next to it should be bars, candles.
Aha. Okay.
You drop down. Yeah.
Sweet, man. Thanks.
Yeah, man. I used TradingView for years. You can change the background too if you want.
But it won't save it, will it?
Nah. No, but I mean, if you're looking at it,
Yeah.
color theme dark. Oh, dude. Right click on it and do color theme dark. Looks so good.
Okay. Sweet. Sweet. Like
Easier on
that.
the eyes,
Much easier. Yes. Can you get rid of that volume?
Hmm.
Aha. Sweet. That just gets in my way. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's look at some forward now as it's collapsing. 496. Look at that Ford. Whew.
Ford had some good ranges today, man.
Mm-hmm. Thing about Ford is, man, if you look at the, I knew I seen it just a minute ago. There was a where you can look at like their balance sheet stuff, dude. These people have Ford has so much cash on hand, and I'm telling you, man, they make plenty of profit. I don't get it. I don't get why they're
Why their stock's only $5. Yeah, it's
yeah.
weird. Doesn't
So
make
this
any
is
sense.
like
If you're
like
that cash, that cash liquid, you would think like they would be able to, they'd be like a $30 a share stock at least.
yeah. Well, I mean, look how big they are. Look at their market cap. You can't see it here, but
You go to
um,
Finviz.
I mean, they got a huge market cap. Can you get rid of that publish and
No,
that buy and
I
sell
don't
thing?
think so.
Okay.
That blue thing.
Yeah.
No, yeah, no, yeah, you can't get rid of the published thing.
Okay. You can hide buy and sell panel.
Yeah, let's look at Ford. Give me Ford. Yeah, Ford really took a hit before this market crash.
Mm-hmm. Well, they were banking on that Bronco. They were really they really had all their ducks in that on that Bronco, man, because they just getting ready to put it in this Chicago Auto Show or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
and they're just now coming off the line, and then they get hit with this coronavirus where they can't do the showing. Of
Oh,
yeah,
yeah. That
so
makes a lot of sense. Yeah.
yeah, so the Bronco's going to sell very well, man. It was popular back in the day, 80s
Mm-hmm.
and 90s. I mean, I'm not a fan of it, but I mean, it will. Um, I believe it'll. If you look at this thing,
Dude, I like it a lot. The Ford Bronco, the new one.
yeah, I mean, it's lit. I mean, there's so much customization you can do to this thing. It's just, it's pretty cool, man. They've got all kinds of kits that you can get on. I mean, it looks, to me, it looks like one of those Mercedes, them hundred
Oh,
thousand dollar
yeah,
Mercedes. You know what I mean? And it kind of
yep,
looks like a
yep.
Jeep in the front, though. That's the only part I don't like about it. It's definitely got the Jeep looking, like that Renegade look in the front. But
Yeah,
dude, the silver one, the silver one right here is
yeah.
bad looking. I like it a
Mm-hmm.
lot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when I was looking, when I was thinking about, either the Chevy Blazer, new Chevy Blazer, or the Ford Bronco. There were
Yeah,
two of the SUVs that I was like waiting to see.
yeah. I mean, you check it out, man. This is one's a little customized done to it. I mean, they got some really cool lift kits and stuff like that you can do to this thing to make it look just
Hmm.
killer. So
The thing I think the thing that kind of hurts Ford right now is the fact that Chevy was able to come to market a lot quicker with the Chevy Blazer
yeah.
than they were with the Ford Bronco, and they're kind of like the
Mm-hmm.
same class SUV. So
Yeah, and wait until the electric hits, man. That's what I'm
yeah,
saying, man. Those 300 shares at $4.85 could be worth a lot of money.
well,
Come,
yeah, especially if the F-150 really um, digs into, let's say, even just Tesla's market with their truck. And that's all they have to do.
oh
They
my
just have to
gosh, man,
beat
just show a
Tesla's
decent
market share
truck.
for the truck. And it performed well.
Yeah,
Like it has a good battery life. And it has good torque and stuff, which it should, as a electric vehicle. It should have great torque.
yeah.
So I think there's just it's just gotta perform well, and you should definitely see shares of Ford really rebound. You know.
I think so. I think so. Let's see. I don't think they have any like Keltner channels on here, do they?
No,
Pro-
they do. I think they do.
volume based.
Let's see
Gotta sign in.
indicators.
Everything's like sign in, sign in.
There's Keltner channels.
How did you find them? Go up
I just
there.
went to
Oh,
I went to indicators. I just went to search and I just typed in Keltner channels.
see, I don't get a search bar.
Up at the top, where
Hmm.
under when you hit indicators, right up at the top, right above built-ins, is the search.
Candles, compare, indicators, and strategies. Oh, there we go. My bad. My bad. Um, not not the sharpest tool in the shed, you know.
Let's see. I'm gonna remove the indicator. I'm gonna see if I can edit the indicator. Keltner
Dude, I just did a
channels.
Keltner channel strategy and got a killer buy and sell on this.
Oh shit! We do. It just happened.
What? And it gave me a summary. Um, how do I?
Apparently, I only made 92 cents gross profit.
How do you know how much money you made? Oh, net profit. Yeah, I made 94 cents too, but I would have made a lot more money. Look at it calling these buys and sells, man, like a champ.
Yeah, that's weird. Interesting. Dude,
Yeah,
oh my goodness, look at this market. Just
yeah, man, just
yo.
going. Huh? That is cool. Okay.
I
And
never
obvious
knew that existed.
Keltner channels. That's all I want. It's just the Keltner channels. There we go. Oh, you can have them both too. Oh, it's just doing Keltner breaks. It's just doing a break strategy. When it breaks out of the top, it buys. When it breaks out of the bottom, it
Mm,
sells. I mean, which today worked out pretty well. I don't know. These Keltner channels are so different than mine. No, they're not. Just a different setting. Um. Okay. Oh, I like this. We got news down here for Ford as well. Man, screw you, TOS. I've got trading view now. Boom. I'm. How much is the trading view?
not much. I think I was paying like maybe $9 or $10 a month.
Oh
It's not terribly bad. I
no.
think that's how much I was paying. But I added also a bunch of other things to it, so I was paying like 30 something dollars a month.
I wonder what would happen if I was to type in. Let me type in deviation. Oh, I'll give you volume profile. Um, Scaled moving average, index rate, bands, the offset deviation bands, extreme deviation, standard deviation. Let's try that. Ah, shoot. Gotta be a member. Dang it. Why can you get some of them and some of them you cannot? I guess TradingView can link to just about all of the brokers, right? As well.
Yeah, I think so. I think you could link. I know you can link with our broker. I believe you can link with our broker.
That's sweet. How's slash NQ like? Um. Oh, NQ1. We need H. We need M, right? M20.
Yeah, NQ is a little different. It's a little different with the
What? June 2020. That's what we need. Oh, I think it's a little fuzzy. Well, it just broke the Keltner and I didn't get a sell trigger. That's interesting. Board did. So that's cool, man. So now what I'll do is I'll take Tefts and I will do this. I will go open screen and then I'll go back to this is it, which is just my it's just only my level 2
Mm-hmm.
time and sell and trade manager, and that's it. I'll use trade station. Trading view. Why do I keep saying trade station? Oh, it's because Ron wrote trade
Because Ron
station.
mentioned it, yeah.
Yep. Is in the brain. Wonder what others are saying about Ford here. Oh shoot, what did I do? Nope. Wonder how wonder how you can edit the because I know like I remember David, he was actually in the free account of TradingView. He was actually editing his script for his bot.
Right on Trading View.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
His bot works pretty well on Trading View too, doesn't it?
It does. Yeah. Works much better on TradingView than it does
TOS.
TOS, yeah.
That's crazy. Is I didn't know that they had that. Not know that they had the ability to make a bot. Wonder how you do it. Strategy tester, maybe? You can use built-in strategy from the indicators that or write your own in Pine Editor. Interesting.
What?
That's how you do code.
What do you mean?
I know how to do code.
In TradingView?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Look. Hey, where's my thinker? Where's my
Daddy, can we have a popsicle?
Yeah.
oh, Zoom?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. You see it? There it is. Oh, get out of here. Oh, how do I close this? Get out of here. Oh, you have to sign up. You know what? I wonder if my thing is still here. Ah, I'm signed in, Trey.
All right, sorry, man. I had to.
Popsicle, Daddy, on a popsicle.
Oh no, I gotta. What is this? It's not giving me a choice. It says join the community, start your journey, and it won't let me do nothing but
I
click.
know. I had to log in with my account, and now I'm in. Do you see the Twitch or the Zoom?
Oh yeah.
That's how you do your little thing here. Create your
Okay.
script.
Sweet, man.
You know, that'd be cool to add the script. You know that David has. It'd be awesome.
I am not a robot. I am not a robot. Sign up. Oh, am I already there? You will be able to change this public username only once. What does that mean?
It's weird. Give you a weird error message or a message.
Yeah. Let me see if I may already have an account.
Oh, yeah. That's what I accidentally was like trying to sign up, but I didn't realize I was signing up, and it was like, oh no, you already have an account, or
Yeah.
this account is already used. I was like, what?
I never get any emails from them, so yeah, I don't have an account with them.
Oh man, could it be a short? Oh boy, that's a big ass freaking stop. Oh god. I really just can't wait for the markets to go back to normal.
Yeah, no. I know it.
Really am tired of this volatility, man, because like this right here wouldn't be so bad. Like I would definitely like think to take this trade. This is freaking stop. Yeah, I should have taken it. just, I just don't like it. Just don't like to stop. But all in all, I mean, it is definitely. It would have been a decent little trade, little scout.
Oh crap. Okay, I just gotta remember my login name is Trae the Trader.
Yeah, remember that.
Remember that. I gotta remember that. Confirm your email. Activate. Baby. Boom. Oh. Trae, that's my name. Campbell.
CMO.
Choose the photo. I gotta put a photo on here? What is this,
You don't
like
have to put a
Facebook?
photo. Yeah, you should just be able to say no. Just say no. Just like all the kids saying no to drugs. Just say no.
Alright, no. F. Okay, we're back to it. Now do the full featured chart. leave, closing this down. Now I got the full feature chart up here. Let's let's do 3 minutes. I hate we can't do 2 minutes. That's a real bummer. You can do Haikanashi. That's cool.
And that is why, folks, you don't really want to take a short like that. I mean, even though you still would have gotten out, hopefully you would have gotten out and not been holding. But it's the reason why you do it. There's reasons. There are many reasons, and that's just one of them. Too much volatility. Too big of a stop.
How's this screener? Is it pretty good?
Screener?
Yeah,
it's pretty decent.
Let's see. What can
Pretty
you...
decent.
Oh, here's the filters. Okay.
You can create filters and stuff. You can do unusual volume. Love unusual volume.
What? That is cool.
You can choose what exchanges you want.
See, that's too much for me. That's too much choice. I need like a screener that's already pre-screened for what I need. That's too much to go through for me.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking at it. I'm like, I don't really feel like doing that.
Yeah.
Oh, you can do performance ones. Just hit performance on the left.
Ooh.
On the left, there's like overview, performance, extended hours, valuations, dividends, margins, income statement, balance sheets, oscillators, trend following.
Okay.
Trend following is it's following trend. There's strong sells on Yumph, Franklin Templeton,
strong
MBRX, really cheap stock. Strong buy, Blue Apron. Oh, I know why Blue Apron's a strong buy. I'll tell you why Blue Apron's a strong buy. You know why Blue Apron's a strong buy. I even mentioned this one. I even said should look to buy Blue Apron.
I don't recall. What's the ticker?
APRN.
APRN.
Remember when all this shit started happening, I said you gonna want to buy Blue Apron. $2 a share. Now it's up at $7.
See, I'm hoping Ford will do that crap.
You know?
Yeah.
Blue Apron, you're just taking advantage of the market situation right now. You know, with the coronavirus, a lot you just assume people are going to want to order food and have it delivered instead of going out. You know, and these, you know, things are good. Like Uber Eats, Uber may be actually recovering a little bit because of Uber Eats.
Why is yours saying strong buy and strong sell? Mine doesn't say that.
No?
I
don't know. You're doing stock screener?
Yeah, I'm in the screener.
What are you doing? Stock screener? I just did stock screener.
Yeah, I just clicked on stock screener.
Oh, trend following is what I'm doing. Trend following. You see this here?
Hang on, let me. Oh, perform. Oh, okay, I see it. Overview, extended hours, dividends, margins, trend following. Okay.
No, it's still in golf. Damn it.
Walmart says it's a strong buy.
Does Walmart do food delivery? Oh my goodness. Stocks.
Wonder when that give that signal, because that's a dang good signal. Oh man, look at that sell off.
Absolutely nuts. Problem is, this again not really a good signal. Like I'm not getting good signals. It's all right.
Guild strong buy.
Hopefully tomorrow will be good, or maybe even after hours will be good. I don't know. No idea. I just don't want to get involved in high volatility, super spready stuff either, you know?
Yeah, I know. UPS sell.
There's a China Industrials ETF, which is a strong sell. CHII. CHII is good. PBJ is a dynamic food and beverage. Strong sell. Strong buy. Wins. Wins. What the hell?
Holdings. Wins fan.
What the I don't even understand.
Vertex Pharmaceuticals a buy. Oh, it's a fairly new company too, right? No. It was a buy. Oh my gosh, $216.
Wow.
Pharmaceutical. All these farmies. Oops. Try that one.
Genprex. GNPX.
G.
Ooh, I don't know what you do, but you definitely were a strong buy.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
I wonder when that came in, because it was pretty good.
Jeez.
Whoop.
Good job, Elena. Sorry.
Not me. I mean, obviously, I know there isn't going to be a lot of strong buys, but
Look at the NQ, dude.
oh, strong. So whoa, that's a nice engulfing candle.
Yeah. Now I wonder. Now that I'm signed in, if I can do volume profile. No. Public library. And then we want something to do with deviation levels. Dev.
Wow. Well, there you go. Las Vegas Sands will continue to pay their employees, but they are going to be closing all of their locations. Wasn't that nice? At least they're going to pay their employees.
Two, one. Okay. How cool is that? Dude.
What'd you do?
So I just am able to produce deviation levels now. Standard deviations from mean. Yeah.
Just super easy, super simple.
Look at that. I mean, I won't use it because I don't like. I prefer it to be on the chart instead of on like an oscillator looking bottom chart looking thing.
Mm-hmm.
But if you see that, man, that's one there's one deviation, two deviation, three deviation, and then this is a negative
Wow.
1, negative 2.
That's interesting.
It is. Very cool, actually.
Hmm. Well, that was a decent long too.
Yeah. Well, it's been fun. It's been fun, man. We've had a good day. It's not been bad. You're kind of flat,
Oh,
but you
I,
know,
I,
it's
I'm flat. I'm flat, but it's just because the situation at hand. I
yeah.
mean, there were opportunities towards the end of the day to make a couple bucks, but again, I didn't like the stop losses, so I'm not going to take them. It's all about just being smart. With it, even
Mhm.
though it still presented itself a good trade. It's just again in a normal market condition that would have been a far less of a stop loss, and then I would have taken it.
Yeah. Definitely. Definitely. Yeah, like I said, on normal conditions, when we get into midday, 5 points is a killer trade.
Hmm.
That's a normal scalp. 5 points. It's, you know, that's all we get. So,
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
whew,
Just go
dang,
right down.
crazy volatile.
But see, that's the reason why I didn't really want to do anything at the end of the day, because I've been seeing these. It's just some crazy volatile candles. I mean,
Mm,
there's so many transactions happening within a 2-minute period.
Yep, yep,
It's like
yep. It's nuts.
absolutely insane. But implied volatility has gone down, by the way. Implied volatility, when it was up at 122, it's now, well, it's up at 93 now. It was at 88. But considering the conditions that we've been in, it's all feeling good. It's all feels good with the fact that I'm not losing money and making money.
Mm-hmm. Got this volume back. How do I remove? There it is. Okay.
There's many professional traders that can't say the same.
Mm-mm. Got that right. Go to the 1 minute chart here. I guess the 1 minute chart is going to be the best chart to look at
Probably,
on
yeah.
TradingView. Can't believe they
Four's up
don't.
over $5.
Yeah, that's awesome. Can't believe they don't give you. Oh, they do. Down at the bottom, man. Just go to add. You gotta be. Mm,
You have to
I am
be
really not liking this now. Premium member. They know how to get you.
mm-hmm. They
Oh,
do. That's how they got me, man. I was like, I want this, and then I just bought it.
yeah. Okay, overall, guys, pretty good day. Like, we had a pretty good day. Ford is up good. We're 45, almost $50 on our 300 shares right now. We realized over 100 today with 1,000 shares, so Ford is good. We're gonna leave it riding. Um, the NQ, we did pretty good in it today. Um,
Yeah.
so overall, I mean, we're making money. We're making money. That's all you can do. Make some money.
That's it. Making money for you guys too. If you're following somebody's trade ideas, call it out. It's just up to you to, kind of take it.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Mm-hmm.
just that's it.
That's it,
That's
man.
it. Just understand your risk tolerance, and then take the trades.
That's right, and that's you notice Neil and I doing that often is measuring our risk before, even if we do get a signal, we don't take it just on the risk alone, or you can get bit really hard, just like I did today. I got bit
Hmm.
over $200 on a stop loss today, which is
Yeah.
is big. That's a big stop. So,
The thing is the trade presented itself. It was there, with the strategy and all that
mhm,
stuff. It was all there. It was just that, just the market conditions,
yep,
took over. Just something flipped it and took them out, and Then eventually went your way. Remember that?
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
you know.
it did. It did. Well, all right. I'm logging out, man. Have a good evening, Neal.
All right, dude. You too, man.
Ron, take care of yourself. Anybody else listening, thank you for your support, and we'll get back to you in the morning.
All right, dude. All right, guys.
See you.
Take it easy.
All right, see you.